see the different spore size. For example, now we install this spore size. After clicking in, we can see the screen will recognize the handpiece, the spore size automatically, 12 and 12. Now I will change another spore size. And click in. Then you can see it changed. It recognized the spore size automatically. Now let's see the third spore size. And now let's see, it recognizes the spore size automatically. Now let's see the working interface. Before the treatment, we can choose male or female, and then choose different treatment paths. Then choose different skin type. Click in. Then the system will advise the parameters for you. This means the energy. This energy is the energy intensity, and this is the frequency. This frequency, and this is the pulse wise. And this means the cooling level of the handpiece. And this is the spore size. And here is the water temperature and the water flow. After click that, then we can click start. After adjust all the parameters, then we can click start. And we can see from this, we can adjust the parameters from here as well. And click start. Now let's do the treatment. First step, we need to shape the hair first. Second step, we need to apply some cooling gel and treatment plus.